Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. Even as the results are more or less clear for West Bengal, it seems that the Nandigram thriller is far from getting over as of now. In a last minute twist, it seems that the Election Commission has announced that Mamata Banerjee is not the winner on Nandigram seat, and in fact it is Suvendu Adhikari who has in fact emerged as a winner. But as of now, the situation is still not clear. The Election Commission, however, has said that Suvendu Adhikari is leading once again by 1,957 seats. So Suvendu Adhikari is leading in Nandigram with a margin of 1,957 seats over Mamata Banerjee. So the counting is still going on according to the Election Commission website. As of this moment, when we are recording this video, the Election Commission website says that 8 rounds of counting is still going on. So we don't know what exactly is the situation. Earlier, the Election Commission had in fact announced that Mamata Banerjee has emerged victorious on Nandigram seat after almost hours of trailing behind Suvendu Adhikari. Election Commission had declared that she has emerged victorious with more than 1,200 votes that she has won in Nandigram. This is what the Election Commission had told. However, later on they revised their seat count and the vote count, and they said that it was in fact Suvendu Adhikari who is now once again leading over Mamata Banerjee. So what is the situation in Nandigram is yet to be clear. So this was the update regarding Nandigram, but meanwhile Mamata Banerjee has addressed a press conference, and in that press conference she has thanked the people of West Bengal. She has thanked all her well-wishers and her team, entire team, for making this victory happen for the Trinamool Congress. In fact, she also spoke about all the jibes that were taken at her during the entire campaigning. She said, let's move on, let's forget all that. And she also said that, talking about Nandigram, she said that in order to win something, we have to sacrifice something. She said that Nandigram struggle was the movement that she was associated with because of the cause. But now, whatever the result in Nandigram is, it does not matter because TMC has in fact won the assembly elections in West Bengal once again. She also said after forming the government, the first thing that she will focus on is the COVID situation. So this is what Mamata Banerjee has said, and this is what the latest update on Nandigram is. The counting is still going on. She has in fact tweeted about it, and she has said that the counting is still going on, and let us not speculate anything about the victory, who has emerged victorious, whether it is Mamata Banerjee or whether it is Suvendu Adhikari. However, she has said even if the result is not in her favor in Nandigram, it is okay for her because the TMC has already emerged victorious in West Bengal and will be forming the government in the state for the third time. Let us hear what Mamata Banerjee has said in the press conference.
আমি এইটুকু আজ পর্যন্ত বলবো এবং স্যালুট টু মাই নেশন অলসো, স্যালুট টু মাই বেঙ্গল পিপুল অলসো, salute to my motherland, salute to my all the people from Bengal and all the people from all over the country. Now Bengal saved the country. I am proud to say that Bengal saved the country and we are proud of it. And regarding oath taking ceremony, we will do a very small way because COVID is in process, and I appeal to all of my workers not to go for any victory rally or anything right now, because we will do the victory rally after the COVID situation is over. And now we have to work for COVID, and I will request the central government to give free vaccine to all the peoples, 140 crores people. It is a matter of only 30,000 crores. So 30,000 crores is nothing for a central government, and they have the Reserve Bank and they have the other capacity. So if not, then I will start my movement. I will fight for COVID and fight as a street corner. I will start my Ahimsa movement in front of Gandhi statue also. Today I just said all this. So many people, they congratulated us. We are so grateful. Individually, I am going to thank them, but collectively also I am telling we are thankful and our humble regards to everybody, everyone and everybody. So please give us blessings. You have seen that how money power, muscle power, mafia power, and election commission, I must say, how they fought with us, just like a BJP spokesperson. Even really I am sorry, when I raised the issue for Nandigram, you people didn't believe that how they looted. You see the other state, full of state given one mandate and one constituency, can they give the other mandate? Is it possible? It is not. It is totally, they were stopped surveillance, they have stopped survivor about 3 hours, they announced the winning, and after that they are saying something. So this is some looting is going on, some cheating is going on. We will fight in the court case, we will file the court case, and we will fight for that. That is only one seat, we don't mind for that, because Bengal won the match. And it is that my target was 2-1. You know, my two candidate will be winning later on, because Murshidabad, 2 seats, the election is not taking place, it is on 16. Both the seats are our MLA. And Kharda also, we lost Kajol Sinha. That seat also he won. There also we have to go for election. That seat also we have to go for election. And so I think that 2-1 will cross. Let us cross the fingers. And I must congratulate my people, all the people. And I am grateful to my Bengal people, and whatever we have given the commitment to the people, we will fulfill all the commitment. And don't worry for Nandigram, forget one thing, for struggle you have to sacrifice something. I struggle for Nandigram because I fought a movement, so I have forgotten now. It's okay, let the Nandigram people, whatever they have given the verdict, I accept that. I don't mind for that, because it's a match. It is nothing. So we won more than 2-1 seat. That is a landslide victory. And BJP has lost the election, and they have played so many dirty politics, dirty tricks. Even all the officers are saying with high officials, you are under watch, you are under watch, you are under watch. I know each and everything. So it's okay that we have faced the horrible situation. We have faced the horror of the election commission. But ultimately I will go to Constitution bench, because whatever they have done for this time in Bengal, the bias, in the bias way, if you tolerate like this, then India, there will be no democracy. I will appeal all the political parties also. We will go jointly to the Supreme Court, and we will ask the Constitution bench. There must be something, some limitation, some Lakshman Rekha for the election commission also. Only 3 nominated men, and here the retired officer, they cannot control this country. They have to take care also for the democracy. তো আমরা মনে করি গণতন্ত্রের জয় হয়েছে, ভারতবর্ষে বিজেপির ধস নেমেছে। এই ধসই যেন চিরকাল জারি থাকে, আমরা কৃতজ্ঞ মানুষের কাছে। নরেন্দ্র মোদী, অমিত শাহ বারবার বলেছেন ডাবল ইঞ্জিন হবে, আমি বারবার বলেছিলাম ডাবল সেঞ্চুরি করব, এবং দেখেছেন কাদেরটা ভুল কাদেরটা ঠিক। সুতরাং আই এম সো হ্যাপি, এবং আমি মানুষকে কৃতজ্ঞতা জানিয়ে আমার মাথা নত করে বলি, যতদিন বাঁচব প্রাণও ভরিয়ে তৃষা হরিয়ে আরো 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 দাও প্রাণ। আমার মাথা নত করে দাও হে তোমার চরণ ধুলার তলে, সকল অহংকারে আমার ডুবাও চোখের জলে। আরও যেন মানুষের জন্য কাজ করতে পারি, আরও বেশি করে করতে পারি। আজ থেকে কাজ শুরু হয়ে গেল, এই কাজ চলবে। ভালো থাকবেন সকলে। আমি লকডাউন নিয়ে এখনই কথা বলছি না। লেট মি মিট মাই অফিসার্স, লেট মি টেক মাই ওথ, and then we will discuss into in details. But already they have taken some decision, that is already there, that they have already notified government some decision, and let us help the people. We will be with the people. I will not forget, I will remember everything, but let us respect each and everybody. I also expect the respect from everybody. I don't mind whoever said what to me. I think humanity is the biggest thing. Let us forget all these things. Let us play the match with a spirit. The team spirit is a good spirit, and it's our country spirit, it is our democratic spirit, it is our constitutional spirit. I respect and I thanks to everyone whoever worked in favor of us, whoever not worked. I thanks to all. No, I said that let us be very humble. Our humble regards to all the central leaders who came here and who campaigned also against of us. And also my humble regards to some people who came from different parts and helped us. They congratulated us also. So we talked to each other. আই এম সো গ্রেটফুল টু ইচ অফ দেম। আর আমরা ব্রিগেডের র্যালি যেটা করব পরে বলে দেবো, লেট দিস কোভিড সিচুয়েশন ইজ ওভার, নাও আওয়ার ফার্স্ট প্রায়োরিটি টু টেক কেয়ার ফর কোভিড।